huh?
What?
Well, you're not getting any more
You
of
see
your
Elmo?
funny timer sand, and you're
Is he
going to
on
leave
your
my
shirt?
life alone. Uh-huh. No, your ass is mine, because
What's
we've
that?
got a plan. Sure we do. It's a terrific
Is that an
plan.
Elmo on it too?
We discarded two
What is
perfectly
that?
good plans when we came up with this great one.
Is there a drink?
Why didn't you tell
What's
me
this?
about our terrific plan?
Peggy, I made that up.
Hair.
And
What's
the other
that?
two plans?
He
What's
says
that?
if he doesn't get his Coke by noon Tuesday, he's going
that?
to turn you in just for fun.
What's that? What's
Look,
this?
just go to the warden and tell
What's
him you were
this?
naive and that Wes tricked you.
Belly. What's
They
that?
made me watch a short film about the danger
What's
of
this?
smuggling things into the prisoners. It was called
What?
Don't Be a Mule.
Sock. What's underneath your sock?
100% on the test they gave me afterward.
Feet.
Well, you can't smuggle any more drugs in, that's for sure.
Who's that?
Hey, what would happen if we just gave Wes a break of regular timer sand?
Who's that over
We
there?
can't do that. He's going to deal this badge to the Aryan Brotherhood.
Who is that?
They think he tried to
Tay-Tay.
pull a fast one.
They would make a
Who's
pincushion
this?
out of him.
Unless he tastes it.
Huh?
He always tasted the timer
Who's
sand when I
this?
brought it in.
I'm not
I didn't think
Tay-Tay.
anything of it at the
Who am
time.
I?
He always said it was very good timer sand.
Who am I?
Primo.
Elmo. I see Elmo. See Elmo? I see Elmo.
Well, it's 40 minutes past noon. I think you're in the clear.
Well, maybe the phone isn't working.
Yeah. Where's your daddy?
Hi. There's no dial tone.
Where's your daddy?
Hello. Well, this is the freakiest thing.
Yeah,
I
see
didn't even hear
Nick.
the phone ring. I was
Where's
just...
Pawpaw?
Yes, Warden. I understand.
Where's
I'm obedient.
Willow?
Okay.
Where's Tracy?
He wants me to come in and explain myself tomorrow.
Where's Anna
Well,
Grace?
I guess I better make Bobby's lunch.
Where's
For the next
Maddie?
2 to 5 years.
Where's
What's
Brooke?
going on?
Nothing. Hey, who's in the mood
Where's
for
the
some
puppy
fun?
dog? Where's the kitty cat? Where is Ray?
Hilda's trapped in a fortress, but I'm gonna break her free.
Ray. Where's Elmo? Where's Elmo? Where's Bear Bear? Where's Monkey? Where's your monkey?
Sweet little boy.
Monkey?
How are you set for quarters?
Where's your shirt?
No, that's not what I meant to say.
Where's your pants?
You said the other day you've never had a
Where's
positive
your
impact
pants?
on anybody's life. Well, I want you to know that you have.
Your
I'd hate to
sock,
think
I
where
see.
Bobby,
Your
Luann, and
sock.
I would be without
What's
you.
this? Hello. What's this?
Come
Cow.
on, those moles aren't going to
What's
whack
that?
themselves.
Hat. What's this? Who am I? Who's this? Not Tay-Tay. Who am I? That's Tay-Tay.
It is my destiny
Who
to
am
be
I?
the nameless, faceless
Aiden.
executioner. But do not fear me,
Aiden.
for I am just part of the circle
You
of
say
life.
bye-bye?
The last part made you
You say
flinch.
see you later, alligator?
Good.
Say see you later, alligator. Blow kisses. Can you blow kisses? No, go like this. Blow kisses. Ah, very good.
Mrs. Hill.